In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a figure into an Autocad drawing file. Whether you're working on a design project and need to bring elements from a picture directly into your CAD drawings, or you simply want to speed up your workflow and save time, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your browser and go to Convertio Co. Once you're there, look for the option to upload your file. It's really straightforward. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Convertio supports lots of formats like PNG and BMP, so you should have no trouble with your files. Next, drag your image onto the site. You'll see it instantly recognized and ready for conversion. This step is super simple, but it's important because the tool needs to read your image correctly before converting it into a format Autocad can understand. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. It really is designed to be beginner-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. To make the process smoother, here's a quick tip. Whenever possible, use a vectorized image instead of a standard raster image. Vector images are made of paths instead of pixels, which makes them much easier to manipulate in AutoCAD. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent messy conversions or extra cleanup later. Once your image is uploaded, click the Convert button and let the site work its magic. Convertio will turn your image into a DXF file, which is ready to open in AutoCAD. Depending on your image size and internet speed, this might take a few moments, so be patient. When the conversion is finished, click Download to save the DXF file to your computer. After that, open AutoCAD and go to the File menu, then select Open and choose your newly downloaded DXF file. Your image is now an editable AutoCAD drawing, ready to modify and use in your projects. It's a simple yet effective way to bring your visual ideas into CAD without recreating everything from scratch. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to convert any image into an AutoCAD drawing file easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be working on similar projects. Why not make someone's design process easier?